What if I told you that some of the best health secrets for seniors are not new at all? Long before modern medicine, ancient cultures discovered simple daily habits that helped people live longer, stronger, and calmer lives. Today, seniors across America are returning to these ancient wellness practices with amazing results. These time-tested methods can improve balance, joints, heart health, mental clarity, and energy even after 60, 70, or 80. Ancient healers focused on balance, gentle movement, breathing, natural food, rest, and connection with nature. Their practices were designed for real human bodies, not perfect ones or machines. This is why they work so well for seniors dealing with joint pain, stiffness, stress, or low energy. Modern science now confirms that small daily habits create powerful long-term health benefits. Slow, gentle movements improve balance, reduce stiffness, strengthen the legs, and lower the risk of falls. Ancient breathing techniques calm the nervous system, lower blood pressure, and improve oxygen flow. Simple whole foods, natural fats, and mindful eating support digestion, heart health, and inflammation control. Together, these habits help seniors feel stronger, calmer, and more confident each day. Ancient elders followed daily routines, stayed connected to nature, and practiced mind-body calmness. Sunlight, fresh air, prayer, meditation, and quiet reflection supported memory, mood, and sleep. Seniors today can start safely with short walks, gentle movement, slow breathing, and simple meals. Modern medicine saves lives, but ancient wisdom teaches us how to live well.